Space is a wondrous place, filled with mysteries and phenomena that captivate our imagination and curiosity. It's full of incredible events that remind us of the vastness and mystery of the universe. Among these events, eclipses stand out as some of the most fascinating and awe-inspiring. One of the most awe-inspiring events is an eclipse, a cosmic dance between the sun, the earth, and the moon. This celestial ballet has intrigued and inspired humans for centuries. Imagine this. The sun, our source of light and life, suddenly disappears, cloaked in shadow. The sky darkens and day turns into an eerie twilight. Or picture a full moon, usually so bright, slowly fading into a reddish hue. This transformation is both beautiful and haunting, a reminder of the dynamic nature of our universe. These are eclipses, and they've fascinated humankind for millennia. Ancient civilizations often saw them as omens or messages from the gods. Eclipses are not just stunning visual spectacles, they are powerful reminders of the clockwork precision of our solar system. The alignment required for an eclipse is a testament to the intricate dance of celestial bodies. They occur because of the specific alignment of the sun, earth, and moon. When these three celestial bodies align perfectly, an eclipse takes place, showcasing the beauty of cosmic mechanics. Understanding eclipses gives us a glimpse into the laws of physics governing our universe, from the motion of celestial bodies to the nature of light and shadow. It's a window into the fundamental principles that shape our world. So, buckle up, as we journey into the heart of these celestial events, exploring the science, history, and wonder of eclipses. From ancient myths to modern science, eclipses continue to captivate and inspire us. Let's talk about solar eclipses. Picture this. You're gazing up at the sun, with proper eye protection of course, and you notice something extraordinary happening. The moon begins to move across the face of the sun, creating a mesmerizing dance in the sky. This celestial event is both awe-inspiring and humbling. As the moon continues its journey, the sky darkens, the temperature drops, and for a few precious moments the sun's bright disk is completely hidden. What remains is either a fiery ring known as the Ring of Fire, or a completely darkened silhouette. This, my friends, is what we call a total solar eclipse. It's a rare and breathtaking phenomenon that leaves onlookers in sheer wonder. But not all solar eclipses are total. There are also partial solar eclipses, where the moon only covers a portion of the sun. These are fascinating in their own right. Partial solar eclipses are more common than total solar eclipses. They occur more frequently and can be observed from many parts of the world. During a partial solar eclipse, it looks as if the sun has had a bite taken out of it. The crescent shape of the sun is both intriguing and beautiful. Solar eclipses are a beautiful example of celestial mechanics in action. They remind us of the intricate dance of celestial bodies in our solar system. These events occur because the moon, in its orbit around the Earth, sometimes passes directly between the sun and Earth. This alignment is what creates the eclipse. The moon casts a shadow on the Earth, and anyone standing within that shadow experiences the eclipse. It's a moment where the ordinary becomes extraordinary and the universe reveals its wonders. Now, let's turn our attention to lunar eclipses. Imagine a full moon shining brightly in the night sky. As you watch, you notice that the moon's bright face begins to darken, as if a shadowy hand is slowly covering it. This is the beginning of a lunar eclipse. Unlike a solar eclipse, where the moon blocks the sun, a lunar eclipse occurs when the Earth comes between the sun and the moon. The Earth casts a shadow into space, and when the moon passes through that shadow, we see a lunar eclipse. Total lunar eclipses, where the moon is completely covered by the Earth's shadow, are truly spectacular events. The moon doesn't vanish entirely, but instead takes on a reddish copper hue, earning it the nickname blood moon. This happens because some sunlight, bent by the Earth's atmosphere, still reaches the moon's surface, even during totality. Eclipses might seem random, but they follow a predictable pattern. Why? Because the Earth and moon are like dancers in a cosmic ballet, their movements governed by the laws of gravity. The Earth orbits the sun, and the moon orbits the Earth. These orbits are not perfect circles but slightly elliptical, meaning the distance between the celestial bodies varies. Eclipses occur when the sun, Earth, and moon align in a straight or nearly straight line. This alignment doesn't happen every month because the moon's orbit is tilted with respect to the Earth's orbit around the sun. But when the timing is right, and the celestial bodies align, we get treated to the celestial spectacle of an eclipse. Section 5. Eclipses through the ages, myths, legends, and scientific breakthroughs. Throughout history, eclipses have captivated and terrified humanity in equal measure. These rare and dramatic events where the sun or moon is obscured have always sparked a mix of wonder and fear. Ancient civilizations often viewed them as omens, portents of doom, or messages from the gods. The sudden disappearance of the sun or moon was seen as a powerful sign that something significant was happening. Myths and legends sprung up around these celestial events, reflecting the awe and fear they inspired. Stories were told to explain the inexplicable, to make sense of the sudden darkness. In some cultures, eclipses were seen as disruptions in the natural order, harbingers of chaos or calamity. People believed that these events could bring about disaster or misfortune. The Vikings, for example, believed that wolves were devouring the sun during a solar eclipse. This myth was a way to explain the sudden and frightening disappearance of the sun. In Chinese mythology, a celestial dragon was thought to be swallowing the sun or moon. This belief led to rituals and practices aimed at scaring the dragon away to restore light. These myths, while fascinating, highlight the profound impact eclipses had on ancient cultures. They shaped rituals, influenced decisions, and were deeply woven into the fabric of daily life. However, as our understanding of the cosmos grew, so too did our ability to predict and explain these events. The fear and superstition began to give way to curiosity and scientific inquiry. Ancient astronomers, through careful observation and record-keeping, were able to decipher the patterns of eclipses and even predict their occurrence. Their work laid the foundation for modern astronomy, transforming eclipses from terrifying omens into predictable and awe-inspiring natural phenomena. Section 6. Fun facts about eclipses beyond the shadows. Now let's delve into some fascinating facts about eclipses. Did you know that the longest duration for a total solar eclipse is about 7.5 minutes? That's a fleeting moment to witness such an awe-inspiring event. And speaking of fleeting, total solar eclipses are visible from any given location on Earth only once every 375 years on average. Talk about exclusive events. Lunar eclipses, on the other hand, are a bit more frequent and can last for several hours. During a total lunar eclipse, the moon can appear reddish-orange like a celestial pumpkin in the night sky. This is due to the scattering of sunlight through the Earth's atmosphere, which preferentially removes blue and green light, leaving behind the longer wavelengths of orange and red. Section 7. Eclipses and the advancement of science. Eclipses have played a crucial role in advancing our understanding of the universe. For centuries, they've served as natural laboratories for scientists to study the sun, the moon, and even the Earth's atmosphere. During a total solar eclipse in 1919, astronomers were able to test Albert Einstein's theory of general relativity. Einstein predicted that the gravity of the sun would bend the path of starlight passing near it. By observing the positions of stars near the sun during the eclipse, astronomers confirmed Einstein's prediction, revolutionizing our understanding of gravity. Eclipses have also allowed scientists to study the sun's corona, its outermost layer, which is usually too faint to see against the bright solar disk. Observations of the corona during eclipses have revealed important insights into the sun's magnetic field and its influence on space weather. Section 8. Why should we care about eclipses? In our modern world, with its constant distractions and artificial lights, it's easy to forget the vastness and wonder of the universe we inhabit. Eclipses remind us of our place in the cosmos, of the intricate dance of celestial bodies that has been going on for billions of years. They spark our curiosity, ignite our imaginations, and remind us of the power and beauty of the natural world. Eclipses are also a powerful reminder of the interconnectedness of everything in the universe. The same laws of physics that govern the motion of planets and stars also govern the behavior of atoms and the tiniest subatomic particles. By studying the cosmos, we gain a deeper understanding of ourselves and our place in the grand scheme of things. Section 9. Our cosmic connection, looking up and beyond. Eclipses are more than just celestial events. They are opportunities for shared experiences, for wonder, and for scientific discovery. They remind us that we are part of something much larger than ourselves, a vast and mysterious universe waiting to be explored. So the next time you have a chance to witness an eclipse, take a moment to appreciate the intricate workings of our solar system and the wonders of the cosmos. Look up at the sky, observe, ask questions, and never stop exploring the universe and all its mysteries. Because in the words of the great Carl Sagan, somewhere, something incredible is waiting to be known.